Hi, my name is Rex Proctor. I manage our development team here at Sports Tech, and in this screencast today, I'm going to show you how to synchronize videos from iPhoto on your Mac to photos on your iPad. The reason I'm showing you this is that you may have downloaded Sports Tech GB for the iPad from the App Store recently, and you're wondering, how do I get videos from my Mac to my iPad so I can play with Sports Tech GB? Well, the process is very simple, so let's go over it. Now, I've created a folder here in my home folder called Sports Tech GB Movies, and I've exported a movie to this folder called iPad.move. Now, I've chosen to export this quite specifically to Apple TV. That way I know that it's going to work on the iPad. Just note that the iPad must have H.264 video in order to play properly on the device. So, I've created my movie. Now I'm going to jump into iPhoto, and I'm going to drag that folder right into my events, drop that in there, and that will be available when I go over to iTunes. So you can see here I've got this folder. You can put as many movies as you like in there, and it will bring those into your iPhoto library, which then can be synchronized via iTunes. So I'm going to select my device, and I go to Photos for the device, and I'm going to sync photos from iPhoto. You could also choose a folder here too. I think it's easier to manage it right out of your iPhoto library, but you could do the same thing, just synchronize against a single folder. And you make sure you tick Include Movies and just select the albums, events, and so on that you want. You can do all if you like. A lot of people synchronize everything with their device. For this demonstration, I'm just going to choose Selected. So here, I'm going to choose my Sports Tech GB Movies event that I created when I dropped it into iPhoto. And then I click Apply. And that's as simple as it is. Now, when I go to Photos on my iPad, you will see that movie there. And that's the library that Sports Tech GB looks to import movies. Now, if you want to capture something, you can use Camera, capture a video. Since that goes into Photos, you'll be able to import video right from there. Now, this version of Sports Tech GB, our first release version, does not have capture built in. However, you will see that coming along very shortly, so you'll be able to capture natively in the app. Now, if you're a Sports Tech Game Breaker user, use your automatic software updates, and you can do this wirelessly via the command center, just like you do when you connect to it to transfer various files in Coda, our other coding product. So this should cover it for this screencast. If you have any questions, email support@sportstech.com. Thank you.